Welcome to my poetry channel, Prince Hamdan fan. Ever since you became mine, ever since you became my partner, my life has found its rhythm, its peace, its song, like the calm that follows a stormy night. You brought me serenity I would search for all alone. I was a wandering soul in the noise of the world. Dreams faded, prayers unanswered until the day I met you. And my heart whispered, she is the one. You didn't just walk into my life. You filled the empty corners with joy. You didn't just hold my hand. You held my world together when I almost fell apart. Oh, love, how can I begin to thank you? My life before you was just a draft, but with you, every chapter writes itself with verses of peace and poetry of patience. I love you so much, not the shallow kind that trembles with time, but the kind carved into constellations, written in prayer whispered beneath the moonlight. The day I met you, my knees were weak, my heart raced, but deep down, something still inside me. The chaos stopped, the search ended. I looked at you and knew my prayer had found their answer. You were the ink to my silence, the echo to every lonely song I sang. Darling, every morning since then, I wake up not to alarm but to love. Even the smallest gestures, your smile, your voice, the way you say my name are sacred to me like divine gifts unwrapped slowly. They say peace is found in silence, but I found mine in your presence, in your laughter, in your love, in your arms, in the way you never let go, not even when I tried to push you away. You didn't save me with grand gestures. You saved me with consistency, with your loyalty, with the warmth of your words when the world grew cold. When you say, I love you, I felt it ripple through my spine like poetry in motions. I feel like the most cherished soul in the universe, and for that I am endlessly grateful. used to think love was chaos, a fire that burns and then fades. But with you, I learned love can be calm, love can be kind, love can be home. Ever since you become mine, I feel no need to search anymore. I don't seek in other faces, but I found so perfectly in yours. Your presence is my prize, your love is my protection. I no longer pray for happiness because having you is happiness. You are the lullaby to my restless night, the peace that quiets every worry. You are the safe harbor of my troubled sea, the moonlight that heals my shadows. I want you to know every single day that I am proud of us, proud of how we hold each other through the storms, proud of the way we speak the same heart language, even in silence. You are my answered prayer, the one I cried for under starry skies, not knowing God was crafting you, while I waited with aching faith. Love, I adore you in ways words fail, not because I must, but because it's the most natural truth I know. My love for you is not a duty, it's a joy, not a weight, it's my wings. And if I could live one day forever, it would be the day I met you when destiny collided with desire and love found its perfect home. You, my love, are my peace. You are the reason I sleep with a smile and wake with purpose. My heart, once tired from searching, now beats steady in your name. I am yours in every way, in every breath, in every prayer, in every dream I dare to dream from now on. Even time goes drawn to the magic we share, for our love is not bound by ours, but by the eternity we hold in every moment. So here I am, soul beard, telling you again and again that ever since you become my partner, life has never been the same. And I thank the heavens that you choose me too, because I would choose you in this life, in the next, and in every region of forever. Did this poem touch your heart? Like, comments, and share. Thanks for watching my channel. Goodbye.